Nowadays, there are a lot of confusions about the structure, geometry, and hybridization involved, but our master explained it very well in the classroom, but also in the science lab.
Let's go to the science lab to clarify our doubts.
Hey guys, can you tell me the best example of this molecule?
The best example of this molecule is sulfur hexafluoride.
What is the formula of it?
It's SF₆.
What is the central atom present in it?
It's sulfur atom.
What is the shape of this molecule?
Shape of the molecule is octahedral, also called as square bipyramidal.
Why it is called as octahedral?
Because it has 8 faces, 4 above the plane and 4 below the plane. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8.
Why it is called as square bipyramidal?
Because the square forms two pyramids, one above the plane and one below the plane.
What is the hybridization of sulfur in this molecule?
sp³d². Which d orbitals are involved in sp³d² hybridization and why?
The d orbitals involved in the hybridization are dz² and dx² vice versa. Because in these orbitals, the lobes are oriented along the axis. How many 90-degree bond angles are present in SF₆ molecule?
There are 12 90 degrees bond angles present in the SF₆ molecules. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. How many 180 degrees bond angles are present in this molecule?
There are 3 rounds. 1, 2 and 3.
Learning by doing.
Makes concepts clearer.